How is data sent? Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain how data is sent in digital communication. This is the process of our data, like text message, phone calls, and video, travel from one device to another through channels such as cable, radio signals, and optical fibers. Next slide. What is digital communication? Digital communication means transferring binary data, means ones and zero. All information in computer or phone is stored this way. To transmit it, the data needs a physical channel like copper wire, optical fiber, or radio frequency. There are two main types of channels, baseband and passband. Baseband is direct transmission, usually through cables like internet. Passband, the signal is shifted to higher frequency, often used in wires and satellite communication. Next slide, modulation. Rows and 1 and 0 can be directly transmitted through most channels. That's why we use modulation, which turns into digital data into waveforms that channel can carry. A DAC or digital analog converter converts discrete digital values into continuous signals. Example, in optical fibers, we use on and off keying or OOK. When we light off, is it equal to 1? When we light off, is it equal to 0? Next slide, transmission examples. There are different ways of transmitting signals. With radio frequency, the phase, amplitude, or frequency of the wave is changed to carry data. With optical fibers, light waves transmit to binary signals. The method depends on the channel being used. Next slide. Channel coding or error correlation. As the signal travels, they may weaken or get distorted. To make sure the data is still correct, we use channel coding. This adds redundancy, extra bit to help receiver to detect the correct errors. Example, priority checks on add bits that verify the accuracy of the data even in noisy environments. Next slide. Source coding or comprehension. While channel coding adds redundancy, source coding does the opposite. It removes unnecessary redundancy to make the data smaller and faster to transmit. The goal is efficiency. Example, GIF, JPEG, and MEPEG are comprehension formats that reduce file size while keeping the important information. Next slide, comprehension example. For example, instead of storing every pixel one by one, you can store the color once and then store the length of the pixel run. This reduces the number of bits required while keeping the information intact. That's how image comprehension works. Next slide, summary. So in summary, data start in 1 and 0. 2. Modulation turns into waveforms that the channels can carry. Channel coding adds protection and against errors. Source coding comprehension data for efficiency. The result is fast, reliable, and efficiency communication that we use every day. So, next slide, closing. This is why everything we do, texting, calling, streaming, and browsing. This is possible digital communication ensure that the transmitted quickly and accurate efficiency around the world. That's all. Thank you.